Nothing is back with two new smartphones, the Nothing Phone 3a Pro and the Nothing Phone 3a. But with the price difference of $80, is the Pro model really worth the extra cash? Today we will break down their differences, compare benchmark scores and see what customers are saying and check how these phones are selling online. So stay tuned to find out which phone suits you the best. So before starting the video, the buy link is given in the description and you can buy these phones from Amazon at a discounted price. And don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss my latest tech reviews. Model featuring a 6.7-inch AMOLED display with 2392 by 1080 resolution and 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, meaning they look and feel identical in terms of screen quality. The Nothing Phone 3a Pro, however, has slightly better build material, giving it a more premium feel. Alright, the GLIP interface is still here on both devices, providing customizable LED notification and light patterns. A cool feature, but does it justify the pricing gap? Let's talk about the camera comparison. Camera wise, both phones features a 50 megapixel main sensor, 8 megapixel ultra wide and 50 megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom. However, the Pro model telephoto sensor has a wider aperture, resulting in better low light performance. And for the selfies, the 3a Pro boasts a 50 megapixel front camera while the standard 3a has a 32 megapixel sensor. So if you are looking for the high quality selfies, the Pro model has the edge. Under the hood, both models run on 7S Gen 3, meaning day-to-day performance is nearly identical. But let's talk about the benchmark scores. According to the Geekbench 6 results, Nothing Phone 3a Pro single core score is 1025 and the multi-core score is 3150. On the other hand, Nothing Phone 3a single core score is 980 and the multi-core score is 2990. And according to the A22 scores, Nothing Phone 3a Pro scores 680,000 and the Nothing Phone 3a is 655,000. The benchmark gap is not massive, but the Pro version edges ahead in prolonged gaming and multitasking due to the better heat management. Alright. Both models are receiving strong reviews with users praising the Nothing OS experience, unique design and display quality. However, some criticize the lack of significant performance upgrade compared to the previous Nothing Phone models. Looking at the online marketplaces, the Nothing Phone 3a is outselling the 3a Pro due to its more affordable price point. However, early adopters who want the best Nothing to offer are leaning towards the Pro model. For the battery life, both models comes with 4700 mAh capacity. However, the Pro model support fast charging, getting you from 0 to 50% in just 25 minutes. So is the Pro version worth it if you want slightly better cameras, a premium build and a fast charging? Then the Nothing Phone 3a Pro is your best choice. But if you want to save $80 while still getting an amazing experience, the standard Nothing Phone 3 is a better option. So what do you think? Is the Pro worth the extra money? Drop a comment below. If you found the video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more in-depth tech reviews. So see you in the next video. Goodbye.